Welcome back, students, to episode 5 of our detailed playlist on the D and F block elements. Today, we begin one of the most important and most frequently tested regions of the syllabus, the lanthanides. We will decode their electronic configurations, oxidation states, magnetic behavior, color, complex formation, and the famous lanthanide contraction. So, let's dive in. Lanthanides are the 14 elements following lanthanum, with atomic numbers 58 to 71 from cerium to lutetium. They belong to the 4f series because their differentiating electron enters a 4f orbital. Insert includes lanthanum under lanthanides for simplicity. But strictly speaking, it is not 4f superscript 1. It is 5d superscript 1. The general electronic configuration of lanthanides is Beg-C, 4f superscript 1 superscript 1 5d superscript 1 6s superscript 2. But due to very small energy differences between 4f and 5d levels, electrons sometimes shift irregularly. For example, cerium, Deg-C, 4f superscript 1 5d superscript 1 6s superscript 2. Gadolinium, Deg-C, 4f 5d superscript 1 6s superscript 2 to attain half-fill stability. Lutetium, Deg-C, 4f superscript 1 5d superscript 1 6s superscript 2. The most common oxidation state of lanthanides is +3, exceptionally stable. However, +2 and +4 oxidation states also occur. +2 states shown by Sm superscript 2, Eu superscript 2, Yb superscript 2 because they reach F superscript 1 stability. +4 states shown by Ce, Pr, Tb because F superscript 1, F configurations are especially stable. Reason for stability of Ce has F. Lanthanide contraction refers to the steady decrease in ionic radii of Ln superscript 3 ions from La superscript 3 to Lu superscript 3. This occurs due to poor shielding by 4f electrons. Consequences of lanthanide contraction. Zr and Hf have almost identical atomic and ionic radii, so their chemistry becomes extremely similar, increasing hardness and density across the series. Separation of lanthanides becomes difficult because their ionic radii differ only slightly. Irregularities in basicity of hydroxides. La most basic, Lu least basic. Why Zr and Hf are chemically similar? Due to lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide ions show colors because of F transitions. But F transitions are forbidden, so colors are pale. Lanthanides show strong paramagnetism, especially those with unpaired 4f electrons. Gd superscript 3 shows maximum paramagnetism. Compared to transition metals, lanthanides form weaker complexes because they have large ionic sizes and 4f electrons do not participate in bonding. Yet they form complexes with EDTA, beta diketonates, oxalates, nitrates. Lanthanides are quite reactive metals. They tarnish in air, form LNO, react with water slowly, and dissolve in dilute acids forming Ln superscript 3 ions. Lanthanides act as strong reducing agents in plaster state. Separation of lanthanides is difficult due to similar ionic radii. Important methods: solvent extraction, ion exchange method, chromatography. A few important uses: CEO as a catalyst in automobile exhaust, EU and Tb used in TV screen phosphors, Nd in powerful magnets, La and Ce salts in glass polishing, and SMCO in high-performance magnets. To summarize, lanthanides are a high-weight topic for G due to their predictable trends and unique behaviors. In the next episode, we'll take up the actinides, compare them with lanthanides, and complete our understanding of the 4f and 5f series. Stay focused and move to episode 6.